It always rains in July here. More rain than I'm used to getting in an entire year back when I lived in California. I like that I've been here long enough to know what it feels like when the rain is about to come. Something shifts in the air, and I guess I could point to external signs like a slightly stronger wind or a cloud moving super fast, but I think it's mostly in my body. There's an intuitiveness to it, and something about all of that is actually really nice. It's like a forced meditation. I think different weather patterns give us a way to notice, a way to meditate on how things are. And in July, we get rain. Something I don't talk about very much, though, are all the moments right after the rain. It's like the world just let go of a massive exhale. The edge of the heat runs off, and we're back to one. This month, I moved out of my art studio.
Questions asked might be solutions for someone.
Even though this wasn't exactly what I would have chosen for myself, I think this move actually ended up being really a very much a positive one. There are so many good things about it that I hadn't thought about before. It meant that I would have less expenses. All of my materials would be in one place, so I'm not like searching for my X-Acto knife and my scissors in the wrong places. I could easily paint at any time of the day, even in the middle of the night if I felt like it. And then like the smaller things, like I was getting less bug bites, I eat healthier at home, Merlin can hang out with me while I work, on and on. And yeah, I haven't figured out some things like how to continue my larger pieces, but I'm still enjoying making these smaller paintings by the window. And this shelf that we're building, it's massive. Can you help me? It gets even taller once we place it on top of my cabinet, but somehow our living room doesn't look cluttered. Instead, it just seems thoughtfully arranged. I don't know, I really love our home, and I love that I get to be in it more often now. We just harvested this from this plant. Yep, right there. It's our first harvested pepper. How shall we eat it? Huh?
We've got more of it.
More what? It looks great. I think that was so worth it.
You're a needle boy. You're undone.
We've been trying to get into the habit of having people over for dinner more often, and it's nothing fancy or extravagant. I think we just both value The idea of bringing people into our home, gathering around a table and breaking bread together. Being able to cook for other people, especially if you have the means to, feels really special as well. And despite us living in a very small place, we can still fit about 13, 14 people at one table, which is pretty neat. Henry's an incredible host, and I didn't realize how much I loved planning and executing on a menu. This particular one that I am prepping for right now is for a Mediterranean dinner with some homemade hummus, tzatziki, fresh pita, all served alongside some herby farro chicken and roasted pears over ice cream for dessert. It was very special. It was a good indication of the many good summer nights to come in our home. How's it look?
2, 3, 4.
Ready? Exactly right.
Let it be.